How to turn on or turn off delete slide to type by word on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on General. After that, we go down, then tap on Keyboard, and go to the All Keyboards section and go down, and then tap on Delete Slide to Type by Word. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now if you do not see this option available, make sure you turn on Slide to Type. And that's it. Once it is turned on, the Delete Slide to Type by Word option will appear at the bottom. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.